Hello students, welcome to Alpha Online Education YouTube channel. So my name is Satish. I am going to give an idea about the first year syllabus and weightage of marks and also model paper. So in our junior intermediate physics we have 14 units, 14 chapters is there. So these are the 14 chapters, that is physical world, units and measurements, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, laws of motion, work energy power. The seventh one is system of particles and rotational motion, and the eighth one is oscillations, gravitation, mechanical properties of solids, mechanical properties of fluids, thermal properties of matter, thermodynamics. The last one is a kinetic theory. So here is that the weightage of marks we can get from the each one unit chapter is from the physical world we discuss about what is physics and about the some of the scientists which are they discovered the new things in our universe, and also we will discuss about that what is the forces in nature about in this unit. We can get from this unit weightage is 2 marks, means one very short answer question we can get from this unit. One very short answer question we can get from the physical world unit. And if we come for the next one, units and measurements, from the units and measurements unit we will discuss about what are the physical quantities, how do we measure them, and also when the derived quantities, what is the dimensional formula of units, how the physical quantities. About this we will discuss in this units and measurements. We can get also here is this is also having 2 marks of weightage in the public examination. So we can get one very short answer question. One very short answer question. And the third unit is motion in a straight line. In this motion in a straight line, we will give, this is the weightage of 4 marks. Weightage of 4 marks means here we can get that one short answer question, that may be a problem or a theoretical question. Theoretical question or maybe a problem. One short answer question we can get from the motion in a straight line. When the body is moving along a straight line, then what are the factors, what are the parameters acting on that, and the kinematical, about the kinematical equations also we will discuss about in the motion in a straight line. If we come for the fourth unit is motion in a plane. Motion in a plane, when the body is moving in the plane, then what are the acting, and about the projectiles, about the acceleration, and what are the factors which is when the body is in moving in the plane, then we will discuss in this chapter. We will get the 6 marks of weightage is there, that is one very short answer question plus one short answer question. Totally we can get that 6 marks from this unit. 6 marks from this unit. This is 4 marks from this unit, and this is 2 marks, and this is also from the 2 marks unit we can get from the unit. And the fifth one is laws of motion. In the laws of motion also this weightage is also 6 marks of weightage. In this laws of motion we discuss about that Newton's laws, Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, and what is work, what is the force, and what whenever the force is acting on the body. Then about the friction also we will discuss in the laws of motion. In this laws of motion we can get that one very short answer question and one short answer question. The total weightage is for 6 marks from this unit. We can get the 6 marks weightage in the public examination. And the sixth one is work energy power. This is the important one is we can get a long answer question which is having the weightage of 8 marks. 8 marks. And from the work energy power in the public examination we can get one long answer question. One long answer question with addition, with adding the problem also, plus a problem. In the 8 marks we can get one problem also. So totally 8 marks of weightage from the work energy power. In this unit we will discuss about that work, positive work, negative work, no work, and also about the energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, and what means the total energy, and the laws of conservation of energy. That is the most important question in this unit. And also law of conservation of momentum and collisions we will discuss in the work energy power unit. So from that we can get one long answer question, that is for the 8 marks. With the addition of one problem we can get the long answer. From the definitely we will get the one problem. we addition to the long answer question. And the next one is a system of particles and a rotational motion. This is the weightage of sometimes the weightage may be changed in the system of particles and rotational motion also, because of sometimes he gives the two marks for two very short answers, two very short answer questions, or maybe he can give that one long. Actually he gives the two very short answer questions, one short answer question which is of weightage of 6 marks. And sometimes he gives the, if we did not give the any very short answer questions, he gave the two short answer questions also, two short answer questions also of a weightage of 8 marks. Because of here we can see that this is depends on that whenever the very short answers it didn't give the another unit which is having the 2 marks of weightage unit, we can get that two short answer questions, this one or this one will definitely get that unit. Further from this unit, this is about a system of particles and rotational motion. And if we come for the oscillations, the next one 8th unit is oscillations. In this oscillations we get that this is having the weightage of 8 marks. 8 marks means one long answer question we get the from IP examination, in public examination for intermediate. Then from the gravitation having that 4 marks of weightage. In that 4 marks of weightage we can get one short answer question of 4 marks. And in this case we will discuss about that velocities of a satellites whenever it is rotating about the earth, and at the same time escape velocity, orbital velocity we will discuss about that whenever the heights we can measure that from the earth. We will discuss in the Kepler laws also, we will discuss in the gravitation. So this is for the 4 marks of weightage in the public examination. Then mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids also having that 4 marks of weightage. That is 4 marks of weightage. From this we can get that one short answer question. Definitely one short answer question we can get there from the mechanical properties of solids. And in case of mechanical properties of fluids, in the mechanical properties of fluids also having the 4 marks of weightage, we can get two very short answer questions. Two very short answer questions of 4 marks of weightage. Because of we will discuss about that surface tension and viscosity of about this fluids we will discuss in the mechanical properties of fluids. So that's why 2 marks, two very short answer question we can, 2 marks questions are 2 we can get. So 4 marks of the weightage of this unit. In case of thermal properties of matter, in this thermal properties of matter we can get a total weightage of marks is 8 marks. Means here 2 very short answer questions plus one short answer question. Total 8 marks of weightage. Total 8 marks of weightage from the thermal properties of matter. In that case of whenever the properties contains of 3 types of, then those are properties whenever they get heated, then what is heat, what is temperature, what is the behavior of that properties we will discuss more in the thermal properties of matter. If we come for the thermodynamics, in the thermodynamics definitely we can get the one long answer question. Most of the time we will get the one long answer question. This is also 8 marks of weightage. In case of we can get the 4 marks with addition to the 2 marks for the 8 marks question. Means 4 marks, one 4 marks question, and addition with the 2 marks question we can get the 8 marks for the in the thermodynamics unit. This is for 8 marks of weightage. Here earlier we had discussed about that in the system of particles and rotational motion and kinetic theory. Most of the previous examination, after referring the previous question papers, we did that. Here we can get the 2 very short answer questions. 2 very short answer questions or one short answer question. 2 very short answer questions are according to this is the 4 marks of weightage. So 2 very short answer questions or one short answer question. If in case of if you get the 2 very short answer questions from the kinetic theory, we can get the 2 short answer questions from the system of particles and rotational motion about the earlier question papers by referring the earlier question papers. So if in case of if he gives the 4 marks question, means one short answer question if he gives that, then 2 very short answer questions and one short answer question given from this unit. So here is that, here the which is one is it. So this is about the syllabus and weightage of junior intermediate public examination. We get this type of questions during this syllabus is there. Then next once again From the physical world we will get one very short answer question. From the units and measurements also one very short answer question from this, and one, two, and another very short answer question we can get from the motion in a plane, 3, and another very short answer question we can get from the mechanical properties of fluids. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and 6 to 8, 8 to 10. 10 very short answer question we can get from the public examination, and short answer questions we can get from the straight line, plane, laws of motion, and system of particles and rotational motion. Earlier I told you that when the two short answer questions we will get from the system of particles and rotational motion, then from the kinetic theory of gases we can get two very short answers. Either if in case of two very short answer questions we can get from the system of particles and rotational motion, then one short answer question we can get. When one short answer question we can get from the kinetic theory of gases. Just remember this one. Next, from the oscillations is long answer question. Short answers are here 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 questions are from the 8 questions are short answer questions we can get in the public examination, and long answer questions are 1, 2, 3. From the work energy power, oscillations, and thermodynamics we can get the value for the long answer questions from these units for the weightage of 8 marks. Each one contains 8 marks of long answer questions. Next we are going to discuss about the model paper. In the junior intermediate physics model paper in public examination according to the Board of Intermediate Education Telangana, then it contains 3 sections. In the first section A, it is a total 10 very short answer questions, that is answer all the questions. Answer all the questions. That is a very short answer questions gives 10, and we should write the 10 questions also. And from the 10 this is the 10 we will get in the question paper, and 10 we have to write all the questions, and the 10 to the very short answer contains the 2 marks each one. Then we can get that 10 to up to question numbers are 1 to 10 is the question numbers, and very short answer questions each one having the 10 questions is there. Then the 10 is having, we have to write 10 questions, each one contains 2 marks, that is 20 marks totally from the section A. In the section A we should answer all the questions which we can get the very short answer questions, 10 questions we will get. Then from the 10 questions, out of 10 questions we should write all the questions, each one question contains 2 marks, total are 20 marks, total 20 marks. And from the section B, answer, that is the second one, answer any 6 of the following, any 6 of the following, 6 of the following questions. Means here the question numbers are 11 to 18, we will get 8 questions, 8 questions. Short answer questions we will get 8 questions. Out of these 8 questions we should write 6 questions from that. Then we can get the marks 6 for the 24 marks. 24 marks means actually gives the 8 marks for total from the units, and we should write 6 marks, 6 questions, each one contains 4 marks, so 6 for the 24 marks. In section B we will get short answer questions, and the section C, from the section C with the number of questions are 3, we can get 19, 20 and 21. The question numbers are 19 to 21 questions. It is coming from long answer questions. These are from the work energy power and oscillations and thermodynamics. We will get the 3 questions from the 3 units, and remaining are which is having, he gives the, we can get the long answer questions. Answer the third bit are section C, third bit are answer any 2 of the following, 2 of the following questions, means here we get 3 long answer questions In the 3 long answer questions, we should write any 2 of the following. Then we can get 2 into 8, that is equal to 16 marks. Means he gives the total marks for that. The question paper will be given for the 76 marks. The question paper will be given for the 76 marks. Out of 76 marks, we should write 60 marks. We should write 60 marks. 20, 24, 44, 44, 16, 60 marks of paper we should write. So we can get here that 10 into 22, 20, 8 into 4, 48, then 32 marks. 20, 32, 52, 52, again 3 marks, 8 3s are 24, totally 76 marks of paper given. Means 76 of my paper given. Total number of questions given by that is 18, 21 questions can be given, and we should write that 18 questions we should write. We have the choice in short answers and long answers only, but we don't have any choice in very short answer questions. We should write all the questions in section A, means very short answer questions, and in section B we will get short answer questions, and in section C we will get long answer questions. Up to 1 to 10 questions we should must attempt that question, and 11 to 18 questions are short answer questions. In that 11 to 18 short answer questions, we must write 6 questions. And in the section C, the long answer questions, we can get in the long answer questions 19 to 21 is the number of questions. In that questions, the problems can be added to that long answer questions. So here in the 3 long answer question units, as per the weightage, we should learn questions with the help of also with the problems also we should write that, we should practice. Then this is about model paper. Means here from the sections, if we want to get the full marks in a public examination, we should write a total 76 marks of paper. Then only you can get the 60 marks out of 60. So this is about a question paper model for the junior, intermediate and senior intermediate also like this only. Then junior intermediate public examination model paper will be given like this. From the among the all 14 units, you can practice with the weightage for the good marks. Once again, subscribe to Alpha Online Education channel for the more videos about physics and another subjects also.